Welcome to the channel Tech Life Industry. As the name says, it's about technology, life and industry.
We are at JETEX 2020 now. Passage from parking to convention center. The welcome board. The children's hero transformer. We were fortunate to see or to walk along with His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai. Thank you, Your Highness, for providing us with such a wonderful show. We are obliged to you, and we are going to witness the pavilions and things displayed in JETEX now. In Sheikh Rashid Hall, we are into the technology giants pavilion. Huawei is showing their cloud-based technology displays. Moving along, we can see Microsoft, yet another MNC or technology giant, you can say. Along with Microsoft, there are other technological people are there. Companies are there. We are moving into DOOS Pavilion now, UAE's second largest communication provider. They are also actively participating into JETEX, and there is a beautiful display of a stand. You can see that it's a dancing structure there. And there is a competition which is moving along. If you click and share it, you may win a prize from DO. What we are seeing is air car from Turkey. This car got 2 passengers capacity, that is 200 kilograms, and it's a point-to-point travel machine. There is no driver, 100% artificial intelligent operator. Powerful 4 propellers, fans are there. It is made of carbon fiber to make it lightweight. This car is one of the most attractive or fascinating product displayed in JETEX. People are coming and queuing up for taking photograph with this. Such a beautiful piece of product displayed over there. Now, next pavilion will be Hyundai Uber Pavilion. What we are seeing is much bigger car, copter, or even a flying machine, you can say, with 8 propellers, fan that is giving strength to fly to this machine. You can see a big embossed printing of Hyundai and Uber collaborated together to introduce this concept machine in JETEX 2020. We have a full 360-degree view. We will be seeing it in a while. You can see the strong tails, propellers, and it is all the roof panels are made in such a way that you feel like watching a flying machine going ahead you or on top of you in real life. This is yet another piece of display in Jitex where maximum number of people are watching and taking snaps. Now we are seeing the full view. The car was so big, so we could not put it into a single frame earlier. Now we are taking this image from a higher elevated place. You can see almost 100% of the machine now. As known to us, it is of 8 people capacity. This is next gen robos on display by Zorabots Belgium. These robots can be deployed into different jobs such as cleaning. Whatever human is doing in these days will be taken over by these machines tomorrow. You can see this turning hertz of a robot says shows us that, or rather it says some amount of volume is captured by these machines, and these all are looking into that direction. This is another robotic surprise by a Singaporean company. It gives coffee made like a human do. The company name is Crown Digital and Crown Coffee. When we reached there, the machine was under cooling off process, so it will take a little while to operate for a demo. So we are moving ahead to another simulator board. This is a simulator. You can see a person experiencing the performance of this simulator. Again, Etisalat is providing 5G connectivity to this simulator, and this is a 2 meter cabin, we can say, radius. The price approximately we learned is $300,000 for this machine. Another piece of robotic intelligence here, a automated sanitizing machine that cleans the environment in World Trade Center, rather the Jitex venue. This is the machine over there. It senses the inhabitants, rather the occupants inside the hall, and sanitizes. Another attracting point or center point, we can say, it is BMW's piece of art. It is Vision M next concept car. Again, 2 passengers can sit into this. This vehicle reaches 100 km per hour in 3.49 seconds. We asked about the weight of the machine, rather the car made of carbon fiber. To reduce the weight, the representative over there was unable to give a specific number of weight to us. Coming next to an electric concept bike of BMW, what we are seeing is that piece of machine. This is a metro vehicle made in Switzerland. Again, another artificial intelligence product. No driver, 6 passengers can sit in this comfortably. We will have a glimpse of interior also. Human versus artificial intelligence sports. Basketball championship with machine is what we are seeing now. It's a competition as well. If you win, you get a prize. A concept game console you can see here. This person had completed the game. UAE is on electric scooter, you can see here. Along with this, we will have small bikes, a bicycle you can say. This is not just battery driven. This will make you pedal also. While pedaling, you get exercise, but you don't have to be very much tired because half of the portion is done by the battery. So you get the speed along with your pedaling by the battery. As informed, what we are seeing is the biggest bicycle provided by this UAE company. Some parts are from China but assembled in UAE. Approximately 6,000 dirham is the cost of this bike. Technology into health now. An oxygen therapy by UAE's Skinny Medical, and this oxygen therapy rejuvenates your body. People are enjoying taking trial and enjoying the treatment, the sort of treatment it is. In this oxygen you get different flavors. We had inquired about experience of this machine. After reinstating diplomatic relations with Gulf countries, Israel pavilions too are visible in exhibitions now in Gulf. TechLife industry team also moving out with our own Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum,